Ian. Ay, wala dito si Sarah. Ang baho kaya tumigil, umutot. Sabi niya, ayaw, mamaya masakit ang puson ko. Oh my God, yan ang tatawirin namin.
Sama ka sa vlog ko.
Oh, Diyos ko.
Okay, alright, say. Isa lang muna.
Sa isa lang.
Sa isa lang.
Dalawang pakpak. Dapat lumikot.
Kailangan pala yung di pwede.
Okay na. Tapos, sariling sikap. Sariling sikap ka na lang na.
Yay! Yung bag, May, ha? Yung bag, ha? Humawak kami, humawak.
Kuya, 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 kuya. Ang lakas naman.
Konti na lang, konti na lang, konti na lang, Tito. My goodness, ang lakas ng braso ni babalikat ni Tito.
Sir Paul, tayo.
Tien! Yan. Sir Paul. Ay, salubungin niyo yung gamit ni Sir Paul.
Sam!
Woo! Gumagalaw, gumagalaw. Mamaya. Mamaya na daw sila. Ay, Eliza, ganda. Turista. Bye, Mami Chu. Bye, Tita. Mabilis nga magaan. Diyos ko, lakas na agos. Ang lakas. Siguro sa gitna, no? Nervous ako. Antay ko sila, Mami Chu. Ano mo ka namin maantay ka sila? Ala! Ala! Gumagalaw! Ala! Ala! Buti pala kahapon, Mami Chu, nakaligo na kami dun, oh. Oo. 2 kilometers. Okay. You know. Ay, isa.
Wala ba siya?
Parang balikbayan, no?
Yes,
Ang peg. Zero Station. Hi, Sir Paul. Ganda.
She moves like a map
si
A
Chayo.
whisper caught in the wind.
Mga collab ng vlogger pa.
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain.
Kaya po siya tinawag ng tanging isang bayawak. Kaya po siya tinawag ng tanging isang bayawak. Siya po yung tanging na hindi po nakakit ng bayawak. Dahil daw po sa madulas yung balat o naglalaban sa panin yung bayawak. Try ko ha, pangaya ko. Wala naman po mawawala sa atin.
Lorraine, try mo.
Try ko muna.
Name today, I may never get the chance
Ang taray.
to walk beside your wonder.
Tama na. Kanya-kanya pose. Kanya-kanya pose. Insecure, di ba? Insecure. Yan ang puno ng kulatingan. Yan ang kuliti.
She hums a tune I've never heard in
Sarah.
languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late?
Ay, shit, nakakatakot. Lumabas sa mga batuhan.
Oh, travel
Ay, kabog. Shit. Isarami ito. Ay, ganda.
is your open
Si
gate,
Madam.
and I just
Ay, o si isa pang turista.
afraid of fate.
Sir Paul.
If I don't take that step today,
Guys, explore the Philippines.
vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Ito naman po yan, kaya po pinagbawal. May crack na po yung loob.
Dati napapasukan, ngayon parang ako lang din. Dati
Wala nang pumapasok.
ngayon hindi na.
Base yan doon sa mga kwento dati. Gawa tayo ng bagong kwento. May pinasok na bakla. Hindi na nakalabas. Hindi nakalabas.
Pwede po kayo mag-group pic dito lahat.
She moves like a map with no border, a whisper caught in the wind.
Naalala ko sinabi ng tour guide kanina
I
2
see her
kilometers lang
boots
to.
at the corner
Pinagsama yung mag-ama. No? Meron siyang trivia ulit.
cafe. She's chasing skies I've never
Wait lang, ayan.
named while I stay in my lane.
Depende kay Lorraine.
But something in the way she moves
Lock niya.
Bali dito po tayo mag-iingat sa tinatawag namin ng trap na bato na po. Kumbaga po sa panahon pa po ng mga hapon dito, may katagalan na rin po kasi. Gawa po ng medyo may umuugan sa
carry the
kapatid.
sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold
Ayan po yun.
inside.
Ayan po.
If I don't ask your
Sabi ni Lorraine,
name
May,
today,
Gary, can you help me?
I
Mama, yan po yung
may
tubig.
never get the chance to walk beside your
Umiwas sa kaliwa.
wandering
Manatit.
languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist.
May pahingahan dito. Second station. Another station for rest. For rest.
I sip my coffee, miss my cue. Still anchored by my fear.
Hindi pa.
The time rolls on.
Pahingahan before peak.
And soon she won't
True.
be here.
Tingnan na. Sorry ko lang.
Oh, travel.
Ay, isa din. Bumelo din. Bumabelo din.
Carry the
Kailangan umawala din.
sun in your stride.
Ayun kahinga. Parang Thailand, no? Pagdating mo doon, may malaking Buddha.
What I hold inside. If
Parang
I
Vietnam.
don't ask you today,
Yun pala.
a chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in
Chiki.
Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge,
Guys,
I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too
Take your
late?
time. Ay, alam ko naman magti-take your time ka. E-eksena ka rin. Sige, take your. Basta kumapit lang.
The world is your open gate,
Sige lang.
and I just stood
Kapit.
afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile.
Ay, sarap.
Kakalimutan na kita! Dalawat kalahati! 2 at 3/4! Hindi ko kaya!
Yeah.
Ay, ang ganda. Ganda dyan,
She moves like a map with no border,
Purple.
a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain.
Kain lang tayo sa sa falls and then pag dumilim na,
Hindi
Tatawid na tayo doon sa tali.
tawid
You
na.
carry the sun in your stride.
Sulat na lang ba?
Oo.
Nag-hiking kami, pababa na kami.
Sa tuloy na tayo dadaan.
If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your one.
Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's!
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my feet.
Tali, Wengay, tali.
But time rolls on
Tali.
like
Di ka mouse,
open
tali.
roads, and soon she won't be here.
Bakit tayo sa kayo mamaya?
Oh,
Mga pagod.
Gusto ko ng kuweba. Gusto ko ng food. Gusto ko
Ay.
ng kuweba.
Nandito rin kayo, nakahabol kayo. Nabutan niyo pa kami. Grabe.
what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
In the village,
Lady
the
next to you,
village, the fire sleep
on some
tonight.
quiet mountain I'll see you turn, and I'll be proud.
In the village, the peaceful village, the lions live tonight. Bawimbawi, 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 bawimbawi.
And I just
Vlogger pa din.
Yes. 5% na lang to eh.
That's it today. You'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see you smile.